In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trello Power-Ups, along with some of the most useful power-ups and hacks to make your workflow even better. First, open your Trello board, where you organize your projects with cards and lists. At the top of the board, you'll find the Power-Ups button. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. This is your gateway to supercharging your Trello experience. To add a power-up, click on Add Power-Ups. This takes you to Trello's directory of integrations. Here you'll find a wide range of tools you can connect with your board, each offering unique features. If you're not sure where to start, check out the Featured section. This highlights some of the most popular and recommended power-ups. If you want to review the ones you're already using, just click on the Enabled tab. There's also a Made by Trello category that shows only the power-ups developed directly by Trello. And if you have a specific tool in mind, you can use the search bar to quickly find what you need. Once you've made your choice, click on the Add button next to the power-up. You may need to confirm by clicking Add again. When you're done, close the menu and refresh your Trello page. You'll now see the power-up displayed at the top of your board, ready to use. Now, let's look at two of the most useful power-ups and some quick hacks. The first is the Calendar Power-Up. This one is great for time management because it lets you view your cards with due dates in a full calendar view. A quick hack here is to drag and drop cards within the calendar to instantly change deadlines. Next is the Google Drive Power-Up. It allows you to attach Google Docs, Sheets and Slides directly to your Trello cards and even preview them without leaving Trello. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily integrate power-ups into your Trello board and make use of powerful tools like Calendar and Google Drive to boost productivity and collaboration. Thanks for watching.